the chapter electrostatics of physics of class 12th, we have to study the potential and their first and second conditions. Now today I am going to discuss about the potential of any point anywhere on the dipole. डायपोल पर कहीं भी अगर कोई पॉइंट है तो उसका पोटेंशियल ज्ञात करना है. सपोज डायपोल इज प्लेस्ड इन vacuum at point A and B that bears plus q coulomb charge and minus q coulomb charge. The dipole AB is placed in vacuum where AB equal to 2L. The length of dipole is 2L. O be the midpoint. O be the midpoint and OP are the distance. OP distance R. We have determined a potential expression of a dipole AB which is placed in the vacuum. So suppose the angle POA is equal to Q. That is given in figure at O. Q is the angle. AR and BS is perpendicular on gradually OP and PS. OP and PS. OP PS. Assume if dipole A assume if R1 and R2 is the distance from dipole A and B, then AP equal to R1, AP equal to R1 and PB equal to R2. PB equal to R2. We know that potential at P due to dipole, potential at P due to dipole, therefore Vp potential is equal to 1 by 4 pi if silent knot plus q by r1 minus q by r2. Or that can be written 1 by 4 pi if silent knot q upon r1 minus q upon r2. Again we come to know, if we take the value of R1, that is PA, value of R2 is PB, is placed in this situations, then VP equal to 1 by 4 pi if silent knot Q 1 by R1 is PA minus 1 by R2 is PB. Now R1 is PB, R2 is PB and R1 is PA. In place of the distance of both the dipole, now PS a line on which AR and BS is perpendicular gradually on OP and PS. Therefore, it may write as 1 by 4 pi if silent knot Q into 1 upon PR minus 1 upon PS. If we extend PR and PS form, then we get VP equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 1 by PR that is written as OP minus OR, OP minus OR minus 1 by PS is written as OP and OS, OP plus OS. Now, according to the value of value of OP equal to L and OR equal to L cos theta and OS is also L cos theta. Therefore, Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q 1 by L minus OP. OP is R, that is R minus L cos theta minus 1 upon R minus L, R plus L cos theta. Now calculate this relation. Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q, that is R plus L cos theta minus R plus L cos theta upon R square minus L square cos square theta. Cos square theta. Therefore, this R and R is cancel. Therefore, Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q, that is 2L cos theta upon R square minus L square cos theta, or Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q into 2L cos theta upon R square minus L square cos square theta. Again, as you know, 2L theta equal to P, 2L into theta equal to P, and that is also equal to M, where M is potential moment of a dipole. Therefore, we come to the last expression. Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into P cos theta upon R square L square cos square theta. That is the resultant of potential of any point anywhere on the dipole. Vp equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P cos theta R square minus L square cos theta cos square theta. When we put 2L into theta, that is equal to M, then Vp equal to 1 by pi epsilon naught M cos theta upon R square minus L square cos square theta. This is the another expression of the potential of any point at anywhere on the dipole. that is the resultant. As we know, in the electrostatics chapters we define the potential, and there three conditions: potential that can be found at any point anywhere. Second condition is the potential is to find at the equidivisor on the dipole, and potential at potential far from the dipole in a straight line. Now we come to know about the another questions, that is relation between potential and electric intensity at any point. Another question come to in front of you related to electrostatics of physics class 12th. That is very important and very applicable questions for incoming examination for the purpose to high scoring. Now I am going to discuss about relation of potential and electric intensity at any point. Relation of potential and electric intensity at any point. Any point. Suppose Q charge is on the O, that is the first end of the conductor or a dipole. Potential at A and B will be as given in the next previous classes, that can be placed in front of this relation between potential and the electric intensity at any point. So suppose plus Q charge placed on point O. Potential at A and B is as will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R1 and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R2. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R1 and 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon R2, where OA equal to R1 and OB equal to R2, and electric intensity equal to E. Hence, the diagram of the relation between potential and electric field is O is any point where Q charge is given. Q charge is given and a point A and a point B both carry the electric potential E, and distance of OA is R1 and distance of OB is R2. Therefore, we come to know about E, the electric field equal to the difference in their distance of A and B. So, come to know AB minus VA minus VB equal to EAB. Electric field into the dipole, that is equation first, and VA minus VB equal to E R2 minus R1, the difference of distance from O to B and O to A, that is given AB R2 minus R1. Or according to these relations between the potential and electric intensity at any point, we come to find here E equal to VA minus VB upon R2 minus R1. Clear? That is the equation second. If A and B is very nearer, then the 2 point A and B is very closer, very nearer, their distance is very negligible, then we write it as AB equal to R2 minus R1. is very much closer, therefore AB equal to R2 minus R1, that is del R. Very a small distance between A and B. Hence, if we take it R1 minus R2, then del R is become negative. Here the potential difference VA minus VB equal to dV. Also, intensity increases, then potential increases, intensity decreases, then potential decreases, as per study in the previous classes. We define the potential. Potential stated that the state by which, when the charges increases in a conductor, their potential increases, and when the charge decreases, their potential already decreases, as according to the state of the charge, state of the intensity. Their VA minus VB equal to dV. Also a very short magnitude of potential. Therefore, according to the second equation, we can write E equal to dV upon dr. E equal to dV upon dr, that is negative, where this state of the intensity that we expressed here is taking from equation 2, and this equation will be equation 3. Now here the negative sign of intensity indicates if distance increases, potential decreases. Here negative sign indicates about if distance increasing, distance is in increasing state, their potential decreases, so we can say, according to the relation of potential and electric field intensity at any point, कि किसी भी बिंदु पर क्षेत्र की तीव्रता उस बिंदु पर ऋणात्मक विभव के पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट के बराबर होती है। अगेन आई रिपीटेड दिस रिजल्टेंट, किसी भी बिंदु पर क्षेत्र की तीव्रता उस बिंदु की ऋणात्मक पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट के बराबर होती है। मीन्स potential gradient is equal to the field intensity at any point. Therefore we can write here at the conclusion state the relation between potential and the electric intensity about, therefore E equal to electric intensity equal to minus V dV बटा minus dV upon dr. If we expressed it in form of, then it can be write minus d v upon dr or minus d value of v 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r upon del r, because v equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r. Now electric intensity, that is that when increases their potential decreases, because we know that potential gradient is equal to the field intensity at a point. किसी भी बिंदु पर क्षेत्र की तीव्रता उस बिंदु पर ऋणात्मक पोटेंशियल ग्रेडियंट के बराबर होती है। So therefore E between A and B can be written as intensity equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q upon r square. Hence we know that E equal to numeral value है E equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 into q upon r. Here electric intensity between A and B, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square, that is the magnitude of electric intensity. Their numerical value is 9 into 10 to the power 9 into q upon r square Newton Coulomb. According to the study of electrostatics, we are come from potential, there are three conditions, and now in front of you relation between potential and electric intensity at any point. That magnitude is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q upon r square coulomb, Newton per coulomb. Now I suggested you, all the viewers, all the students, and all the aspirant, please come to me in contact and asking the related questions regarding with electrostatics of any doubt questions. I will suggest and solution very easy in state. I am already present in front of you, so you may ask questions. I reply as soon as possible and as much easy that you want, and your other aspirant colleagues, if attached with you, convey him and her contact on YouTube channel Burma Science Center and take some study that is useful to you. Thanking you. Rest is okay.